Hi, Natalie again. Tip number 4 is expect the unexpected. How many of you have been told building a home is kind of difficult? So it's one of the only manufacturing processes that happens in front of your eyes, and it doesn't always go smoothly, but our whole job and focus is to communicate with you about what happened the week before, what's gonna happen the next week, and ultimately, we want this to be fun. Building a home is fun, and we want you to enjoy it and love it and be excited about it. There's no dumb question in construction. There's no concern that we won't address, but we just gotta know about it. So we're gonna be open in communication. You're gonna share with us your concerns. We're gonna tell you how we're gonna overcome those, and we're gonna just create a really amazing home building experience. Tip number 5 next week, finding your dream team.